We must learn how to love. We must learn how to love ourselves so that love can show on the outside of ourselves. We must love our system, our universe within ourselves, the seeing of what we see, so that can show on the outside. We must stay in unity. We must be in harmony so that love can show, so we can evolve. When you look at the word love, Love, spelled backwards is EVOL, the abbreviation for evolution. When you in love in your being, you're evolving in every way. You're evolving in every state, mentally, physically, and spiritually. You're one with the source. You're one with the universe of who you are. You're one with the body of who you are, the mind of who you are, the spirit, the energy of who you are. Everything works in order. That is true love. Love is order. Love is unity, harmony, and rhythm. It works all together in one. And once you're one, you're in a love state being. And we must be in that place in every moment, no matter what is happening on the outside. The other day, on my last video, I talked about not allowing outside entities to entertain me. Because when you entertain those energies, they entertain you of who you are, those energies. They have control over you. They're manipulating you of your mind, your body, and your spirit by taming your energy, by giving in upon them. You're giving your energy away to them. But when you're in love and unity, and they're not, it's like they're giving away their energy to you. So you must stay one within you and not give away energy that's not connected. But when both of y'all are connecting together in unity, things feel right. That's when you're around somebody like a friend or somebody that you just enjoy being around. Yeah, it feels like they're giving something to you, and you feel like you're giving something to them, and y'all both are good energies. And that's why you always like being around that good friend or that good grandma, somebody in your family that always gives you that good loving feeling, and you're always exchanging good vibes and conversations. And that's true evolution, true evolving. Not being trapped in a box, not forcing yourself to do something, but evolving and loving that state being and loving those around you. So we must love each other. We must evolve. We must be in a state of being of love. So when we do that, that's true evolution. That is true evolving. On being in that state of love.